3 years ago, I was diagnosed with colon cancer at the age of 26. I remember I had gone to dinner with one of my friends and I came home and I woke up the next morning and I was hemorrhaging, and I thought that was very unusual. And being an LPN and working in the medical field, kind of, I knew something was not right. I had also lost a teenage sister a year prior to cancer, so I knew I had to get it checked out.
Ms. Calzado actually had a genetic condition called hereditary non-polyposis colorectal cancer, also known as Lynch syndrome. That's a genetic condition in which younger individuals can develop colon and rectal cancer at a much younger age, and it can be a lot more aggressive.
My mom had came in with me, and he said, it's confirmed. We have your reports, pathology reports back, and it's colon cancer. But at that point, they don't know if it's spread or what stage is in. So I remember my mom started crying, and he took her hand and he said, I know you lost a daughter a year ago, and I'm gonna make sure you don't lose another one.
So for Miss Yelzada, due to the fact that she had this genetic mutation, her entire lower GI tract was at risk for developing malignancy. We knew she had a primary malignancy in the colon, but we're also worried about her being young, developing cancer in other parts of her colon. So we robotically removed her entire colon and were able to hook her remaining small intestine up to a very small, short segment of her rectum. This allowed her to still have a good functional capacity, and she had a different options for her anatomy, how she wanted it to be after the surgery. By keeping her rectum in place, it let her still have very good function and a very good normal lifestyle.
I get to enjoy my life. The only real modification that I've had is, dietary changes. But other than that, I get to go to the gym and go to school and go to work and read books and enjoy my daughter and my family.
She's doing absolutely wonderfully. She's in school, she's active, she works out at the gym regularly, and she eats regular food and has very good and normal function.
I wouldn't have, honestly, words to thank him enough. He truly saved my life. If I had not met him or his team, God knows if I'd be here right now telling his story. So thank you isn't enough.
What makes us stand apart from other practices is that we are doing innovative, cutting-edge surgery and cutting-edge research where we're looking at our outcomes, we're looking at new ways to aggressively attack cancers in the most minimally invasive way possible. We are able to use that mindset of taking care of a patient's whole body, mind, and spirit and incorporating that into their daily care.